Audible is the world's biggest provider of book recordings and various other expressed word diversion, with a collection of over 200,000 titles. It offers a large destination of audio recordings, webcasts, and careful material for individuals. The company began in 1997 and also has developed to the north of 300 million vibrant month-to-month customers. Overall, exactly how would you generate money on Audible? With such a broad organization of dynamic month-to-month clients, Audible deals an amazing chance for you to generate cash money. A part of the means of doing this is via recommendations, sharing your affiliate code, or making your own sound compound. Keep reading on. Figure out how you can include Audible as a goldmine to generate passive income at the comfort of your residence utilizing your telephone or PC. You will certainly determine just how Do Not Pay is a helpful as well as easier approach for bringing in cash on the web. Numerous ways to make money on Audible. Being the best audiobook company, there are different ways of generating cash on Audible. A part of these consist of subsidiary advertising and marketing, making publication recordings, selling Audible products and also managements, describing others' work. With such a wide resolution of means of generating revenue, you can without a doubt discover one that suits your needs to help you with generating some extra cash towards completion of the week or part-time. Step-by-step directions to become an Audible affiliate. Among the least demanding ways of generating money on Audible is by turning it into a subsidiary. Companion showcasing is an uncomplicated means for you to bring in cash on Audible, where you basically place the subsidiary connection of the administrations or things you are progressing. This connection comes close to the point of arrival of the item or administration you are progressing, making it easy for you to make your income, which will certainly be paid via check or direct bank deposit. Follow these simple directions towards joining. Join as an Audible user through the website. Build a website and add Audible affiliate links or partner codes. Your audience members join and get on your own a book that is totally free via your 30-day complimentary trial. Procure $15 per free preliminary each appropriate time somebody joins Audible throughout your partner link. Get compensated via a check or shop that is straight in case your excess is $30 or even more when Audible pays you.